If it works out, it works out. If it doesn't, I probably will cry. Anyway, I think I got coke up my nose. This cream is delicious. This is not gonna end well. I hate it. I'm not a professional. I'm also wearing funny slippers. The lighting is gonna be so bad. Oh, fuck. Oh, I got it. I got it. I feel like I missed. Oh, butter. Hello everyone, it's Chloe. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to our new kitchen. I probably should take my glasses off, but I did just wake up, so I look dead. Ignore this, okay? Thank you. Today we are doing just a really relaxing video and I'm gonna bake a cake because today is Nan's birthday. Like I said, today's gonna be a relaxing video for you guys, hopefully. For me, baking this cake, I don't know. But today is Nan's birthday and I'm gonna bake her a cake because we live 3 and a bit hours away from anywhere, so we can't really go visit, you know, her gravesite and everything like that. So I thought I would bake a cake for anniversaries, birthdays, all that stuff, because I like to bake. You guys should know that. I haven't done a cooking with Chloe or a baking with Chloe in a very, very, very long time. I'm making a black forest cake today, so it's a little echoey. I do apologize because we're in the kitchen. Hopefully I get to do this really well because I'm actually quite excited, but I'm also shitting my pants. We're just gonna jump right into it. I have a recipe. This is not a family recipe, by the way, because most of my cooking with Chloe's were family recipes. This is the recipe. If I can find it, I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. I don't know how this is gonna end up. It's just a relaxing video. I haven't uploaded anything besides clothing hauls in a very long time, so I thought this would be fun. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but we're gonna get through it. So if you wanna know how this cake turns out, just keep on watching. Hopefully it doesn't burn the house down.
1, 2, 3, let's switch this up.
I'm honestly terrified. Grease 3 cake pans with butter. I don't think I have 3 cake pans. I think I have 2 bowls. We don't have a bigger sieve. It's gonna take me a while. Who cares? But again, if you see family members, it's fine. It's a relaxing video. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the cherry stuff out of the way because I'm not gonna use that right now. These are the best things in the world. I use these for the Christmas pudding and Kura and I eat this shit up. So I got these to decorate and then I got like a jar of cherries, which is kind of scary because they don't look very appealing. Am I okay? Anyway, combine dry ingredients by sifting the cocoa and plain flour. How much of that do I need? 2.5, wait, what? 2/3 of a cup. Let's see if I have that. I do not. How much is 2/3 of a cup? What? Okay, according to Google, 2/3 of a cup is about 11 tablespoons. Do I just do 11 tablespoons? Okay, 11 of these. I'm gonna do it because I think that's gonna be a lot easier. I only have, what, 4 cups? I'm not that fancy. Oh, look at me with the ankles.
Look at me.
Do I have to sift it? Number 1, or no? This is gonna take forever. Future me, invest in a better sieve. 3, 4. So how you guys going? 5, 6, just 6 more. Flour is done and it's already a mess. So now I have to do cocoa. Half a cup, I can do that. Look at that beauty. Cocoa.
Cocoa lasso.
Oh, that's too much, okay. Whoopsies. Oh, it smells really nice. It's going everywhere. Howdy. I think I got cocoa up my nose. Spoon, powder. Okay, we're fine. What I'm gonna do is crack some eggs. I can't crack eggs like really fun. Like I can't even open this. Like I can't do it with one hand or I can't, you know, all that shit. I do it with a knife and I call it a day. Oh, I got a bit of shell in that one. I don't really want that in there. Can you come out please? Get out! Did I get it? No. Out please. Out, out.
Go. Listen.
Corey's here.
Up yours.
Oh, I'm making a cake, thank you. Last egg, mate. Hey, look at that. Yes, sirree. That's a lot of sugar. Oh, hello. Annalisa, hello. Got me sugar. Oh my God. Oh, there we go. 1 cup. I'm just gonna put it in here. That wasn't satisfying at all. I have to go over here to beat some eggs up and put some sugar in it. That's probably really shit lighting, but I think I might use it because I need to see what I'm doing. So beat eggs for 30 seconds on speed 6. Does it even have a speed? My speeds have been worn off, so I'm just gonna wing it. With the beater still going, slow pour in the sugar. Why am I reading this out loud? Jesus Christ, okay. Okay. Ew, it's like stuck on the whip. That's disgusting. Okay, I'm gonna add the sugar slowly but surely for 7 minutes. It's 10:58 right now, so. I'm trying to count my head. I'm really bad. Okay, yeah, woo, party. Oh, fucking hell. I need like superhero strength to get this shit open. Yay! I think the eggs are done. They look done. So in this bowl here, I've just added the flour and the cocoa because I needed a bigger bowl. So I'm gonna add this and then mix it up. Should have muscles by the end of this. It looks like mousse, is that right? Add the butter and fold it gently until combined. Okay, well how much butter do I need? I am using margarine. Sue me. Yeah. Fuck, that's a lot of butter. I hate the feeling of butter. It's disgusting. Oh, right on it. Ugh, I hate it. Microwave. Yuck. We're doing fine. No, nowhere near it. Alright, let's see if this is melted. I don't know. Yeah, it's melted. Oh, that was a disgusting sound. The butter should be fairly thin and pourable. Is that thin and pourable? I think that's good. I'm going to clean this bench up a little bit so I get the cake pans out. And the question is how many cake tins I have that are the same size. I have 2 the same size and then a smaller one. I've got to call on the big guns, which means my mother. I'm gonna spray the shit out of this while Mum makes her coffee. These are now sprayed. 2 of them are the same size, 1 is smaller. I'll figure it out when I decorate it, okay? Don't judge. Oh, I might just need 2, I don't know. Wee woo. Is this enough batter? I don't know, bitch. Okay, I'm definitely not gonna need that small one. So I've just done that for no reason. Yeah! I made a mess of this. Why is that so thick? Yuck. So, that's disgusting. I made them and I'm gonna put them in the oven for I don't know how long because I haven't read that far. Okay, 25 minutes. 1, 2. Next time you're gonna see me is when that's done. Here's Dad. There's Swedish music playing in the background.
Hey, they look the same. Hey?
Pause! Thank you. Cakes are done, they're out of the oven. They look pretty decent. They feel a little dense. Here's what they look like. Again, the oven light is on, so sorry. But these are what they look like. But I'm gonna layer it with a bunch of cream and cherries. But it's 11:51, so I think I'm gonna stop and have lunch with everyone. And then I will come back and do the cream and stuff like that. So look at my pressure point coming through. I don't know what Nan's doing, but this is not normal. Stink. Hi everyone, it is past lunchtime now. I've just done the cream. I did a little cut through because I have a headache and I'm not feeling it. So, have fun. This is the cake. I took them out of the tin. They're very, very thin, but I'm gonna put a lot of cream and cherries. And then I just drained the cherries. These are the cherries and then this is the juice. And then I'm gonna decorate the outside of the top with these cherries and the cream. So, I don't really know what I'm doing. I think this part I'm just gonna wing it because the recipe is kind of confusing. Guess this is the fun part. I think. I don't really know, to be honest. Okay, I think I'm gonna put it on a plate, but I'm just gonna put, okay, you can't even see. So sorry if my mood's a bit down a bit. I just have a headache. I've read a little bit of my book, which is exciting. It's focusing on our laundry instead of me, but I need my frosting. That would be fun. This is the frosting, icing, whatever you want to call it. Now the recipe did say to put it top down, so that's what I'm gonna do. Now I'm gonna coat the absolute shit out of this in the, I'll say coffee, in the cherry juice. So I just used the cherry juice that came with the cherries. These cars need to actually start. Oh, that was a lot. I think that's good for the first lot. I've never been good at icing cakes, really, like ever. I think it's gonna rain, so it's a bit more relaxing, I guess, for you guys. Really good cream. I hear Socks' footsies. Socks, you're not gonna find anything, but she found whipped cream on the floor, sorry. Cherry time. Pretty much all of these have to go on here because there's only one layer. It's kind of fun. It's therapeutic as hell, by the way. There you go. It's a bit aggressive, sir. This is what it's looking like. This is like the second layer. I'm gonna put like a big macaron macaron. Hopefully in the fridge it will become a bit more firm as well. Oh, some of that cream is mixed with the cherry juice and that tastes phenomenal. Heaven on earth right here, dolls. Looks like a giant macaroon, whatever the fuck you want to say. This cream is delicious. I have a piping bag. I have one of those little tips. I'm gonna try and put the rest of the frosting in here and pipe it. Will it work? Probably not. I don't think I've ever tried to pipe something correctly. It usually goes wrong. Nan, be on my side, please. Oh, I don't know. Okay. Ooh, okay. It's not terrible. Just gonna make really ugly swirls. That's not too bad. You can't really see. I'll show you in a second, but I'm gonna open a bag of this. I'm gonna put a cherry on each of these things. I'm gonna put a cherry kind of on each little thing. Probably not the best, but I don't really give a shit, to be honest. Do you want a cherry? Ta-da! Look at this. So I'm gonna say it's finished for now. I'll do a bit of a better overview. Oh, I didn't cover that very well, did I? I'm gonna put this in the fridge and I'm gonna have it later. Currently almost 2 p.m, so I'm gonna do it like after dinner. So the lighting's gonna be extremely bad, but I'm gonna put this in the fridge. It's in the fridge. And now I have a bunch of cherries and icing left over. I'm so creative. Ratatouille has nothing on me. Wait, Ratatouille is the restaurant, isn't it? Yeah, because Ratatouille is the restaurant, not the mouse. Rat? Mouse? I don't know, but it tastes good. I don't know if Nan would have liked it, but actually I feel like she would have because she loves sweet things. So I feel like she'd be approving of this right now. It's wind, right?
No, it's rain.
Huh? So it was wind.
No, it's rain, right?
Hello, it's 7:30. I just burped. Oh, I just burped again. I'm filming on my phone because I can't even bother getting my camera. I need to stretch. Here's my cake. I'm really scared. Oh God. It's a blacked out blur. Ah, let's go for it. Fuck. Okay. There we go. I don't know if that looks good or not, but we're sticking with it. Oh no, it fell. Hi. So it turns out I forgot to end the video. So I'm here literally like a week later to finish off the video for you guys. I just finished editing it and I'm pretty proud of how it turned out. So I hope you guys had fun watching it. It was something different. I used to obviously do a lot of the cooking with Chloe's type of stuff. Basically when I kind of started this whole YouTube thing, and it was kind of fun to bring it back and film a bit more. And I really want to film it with my friends. So I really wanted to like cooking with Frank and Ebony, Rihanna, and even Annalisa. So I just want to do kind of like a bake-off type of thing. I think that would be really, really fun because I don't know, I think it'd be really fun and entertaining. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up for me. If you're new here, please subscribe. I make a video every single Thursday at 12 p.m. for you guys. All my social media links and everything I've talked about in the video, and if I can find the recipe, I'll leave a link down below as well. I really did enjoy editing this video and filming it, so I hope you guys had fun watching it. But that's pretty much it from me, guys. Remember to spread love and stay positive, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye everyone.